Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to hide balance on Guarda Wallet. To hide your balance in the Guarda Wallet app, first of all, open the Guarda application and make sure that you are signed in. After you are logged into your wallet, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Security Center. Under Security Center, toggle on the button right next to Masked Balances. Soon after you turn on this button, go to your home screen and you will be able to see that your balance has now been masked or represented by asterisk signs. So that's how you easily hide your balance in Guarda. Hiding your balance helps maintain privacy when you are using the app in public or sharing your screen. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.